Good morning, everybody. This is Doc here at Bell Camper Sales. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the 2022 Venture Sonic Lite. If you will come with me, I will show you. So as we go around the front here, we have got our electric tongue jack, our propane bottle, our battery, along with our battery cutoff switch, along with our price and our nice tinted front window right here. You've got the pass-through storage that runs right here, the solid step entry steps, along with our awning with LED lights underneath our awning, 110 outlet and a cable plug-in so you can hook up your TV. In the back, we have got our spare tire and our prep for a backup camera right there. And then we'll come around to the side. We've got our outside shower and our 30 amp service right here. So as we walk in to the bedroom here, we've got a closet on this side along with some storage up above the full-size bed. We've got USB ports and 110 outlets along with the blackout shades right here, which are real nice for privacy and to block out some of that sun. So we go over here, we've got our 12-volt refrigerator with our dinette that does make it into a bed. We've got our TV along with our radio right there. There is the door to the bathroom. We've got all this storage down here. And here in the kitchen, we've got a 2-burner stove with our stainless steel sink with a microwave, our solid surface countertops, and more storage right here. So that concludes our tour of the 2022 Sonic Lite 169 VMK. Thank you for choosing Bell Camper Sales, where we will get you camping. Thank you. Have a good day.